Hindi akong tulong mo na ni isot yung alam sa inyong bana. 1, 2, 3. Wear this ring
Wear this ring
as a sign of my love
As a sign of my love
and fidelity,
and fidelity,
both of which know no end.
hopefully so no end.
I promise to be with you
I promise to be with you
in good times
in good times
and in bad,
and bad,
when life seems easy
when the life seems easy
and when it seems hard.
and when it seems
When our love is simple
when our love is simple
and when it is an effort.
and when it is easy.
mag-isip.
I promise to cherish you,
I promise to cherish you,
cherish you, and to always hold you
And to
always hold you
in highest regard.
in highest regard.
These things
These things
I give to you today
I give you today
and all the days
and all the days
of our lives.
in our lives.
I promise you
I promise you
as your wife
as your wife
and partner
and partner
in life.
in life.
Sabi ko, sulog ang
ang pikas ba kay na